Hi, students. I hope you're doing well. And I've got some great news for all of you ACCA pursuing students in India that are watching this video. 2020 has been a challenging year for all of us in so many ways, with the transition from classroom to online learning that we all had to adapt to in no time. It was indeed quite an adventure for students and tutors. However, at the end of it all, we've come out with new habits of learning and engaging. We've all seen maximum application of technology that can give us access to the best resources in the world that we would otherwise never dream of. Well, as we begin 2021, I'm so happy and excited to share with you that hereafter you shall have access to the world's finest ACCA e-learning platforms that brings to you everything you need to clear your exams. Recorded videos from the finest tutors, accredited exam material, mock exams, webinars with last minute exam tips, and so on, right from the comfort of your homes. At Synthesis Learning, we have launched India's first platinum accredited e-learning platform in association with the ExP Group. The ExP Group offers premium online learning solutions for global qualifications such as the ACCA, the DIPA-IFR, and the CIMA, having a 25,000 plus students over 114 plus countries. And we will soon see you join this club to become a sought after world class professional. I've got on call with me Mrs. Matilda Crossman, representing the EXP team, and I would like her to speak about the online learning platform, the global experiences, and the joint vision for India. Matilda has a rich global experience herself, working with the ACCA executive team as a member of the ACCA Global Council, the governing body of the ACCA, for 9 years, as well as on several other boards and committees for 12 years. Prior to that, she was director for BPP for 8 years and got qualified as an accountant while working for PwC. Presently, she serves as the executive director at the ExP Group. Over to you, Matilda. We're so excited to hear the experiences from you.
Thank you, Harsh. And congratulations to all of you who decided to embark on the ACCA journey. This is an extraordinary learning journey, and it is truly a global passport for your future career in finance. When I look back, when I studied for ACCA, it was about 20 years ago. And for me, I remember it was critical who supported me in my studies. And actually, it made such a difference that I could have had a very accelerated journey and pass all my exams and become a member in 2 years. If I fast forward to today, you guys are under even more pressure. Things are changing so quick, so you can't really afford a trial and error. So when it comes to EXP, we have been training over 25,000 finance professionals since we were founded from more than 100 countries. And when it comes to the ACCA qualification, we were awarded by the ACCA the platinum level accreditation, which from your perspective means that the students that study on our platform achieve much higher pass rates than the global averages. So in effect, how do we achieve that? Well, it's a combination of structured educational methodology and cutting edge technology. Now, when it comes to India, we know India is an amazing, incredible country, very diverse. So we believe we found a fantastic, unique solution to support yourselves in India, and that is our partnership with Synthesis Learning for India. We are absolutely privileged to have this partnership because it's a fantastic partnership of values and experience, and basically brings together the structured educational methodology on the Platinum platform on its cutting edge technology, as well as Synthesis learning experience in student support and tutor support for students. So, with no further ado, I strongly recommend you to get in touch with the amazingly friendly team of Synthesis Learning on the ground, and they will guide you through any questions you may have, but equally to give you access to some free demos with no obligation. And that's your chance to reduce your trial and error, and that is your chance to hopefully have a partner that will support you all the way through to your exams. The best of luck in your studies. Enjoy the journey, and we would love to be part and serve you in this extraordinary trip to becoming a member.
Thank you, Matilda. That was wonderful. And I'm sure that this partnership would be a building block in shaping the career of thousands of students in India. I would invite all you ACCA pursuing students to visit our website, take first-hand experience, and we wish you the very best for your ACCA journey ahead. Good luck.